Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyful and English. Today's lesson is special. In this video, you will learn how to think in English, how to speak fluent English without hesitation, a powerful reading comprehension passage, and a motivational article that will change your mindset. So stay with me till the end. Let's begin. Part 1. How to think in English. 8 minutes. Thinking in English means you stop translating from Hindi to English and start creating English sentences directly in your mind. Step 1. Name everything around you. When you wake up, start naming things. This is my pillow. This is my blanket. I am opening the window. The weather is nice today. Repeat this habit every day. Step 2. Talk to yourself in English. Self talk is the secret. Say things like, I need to finish my work. I will make tea now. I am getting ready. I am going out. When you talk to yourself, your brain becomes comfortable with English. Step 3. Make short mental stories. Example, I am walking to the market. I see many people. A little girl is buying ice cream. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just build the habit of creating English thoughts. Step 4. Use the 5-second rule. Whenever you want to say something, start speaking within 5 seconds. Don't wait. Don't think too much. Just speak. Step 5. Shadowing method. Shadowing means speaking along with someone. Play an English video. Listen to the line. Repeat the line exactly like them. This improves fluency, tone, pronunciation, and confidence. Step 6. Learn 10 useful sentences every day, like I comfortably agree. That sounds great. I didn't get your point. Let me think. Could you repeat that? Use this in real conversation. Step 7. Remove fear. Fear is the biggest enemy of fluency. Always remember, fluency is not perfection, fluency is flow. Part 2. Speak fluent. English tips 5 minutes. Speak slowly and clearly. Fluency does not mean fast speaking, it means smooth speaking. Use simple sentences. I understand. I want to learn English. I am practicing every day. Small is powerful. Listen more. The more you listen, the more you speak better. Listen to English podcast, stories, motivational speeches, short dialogues. Think before you talk. Just 1 to second. Our planning improves fluency. Practice every day and 15 minutes. Consistency beats talent. Part 3. Reading comprehension passage 5 minutes. Now, read with me. I will speak slowly. Passage. The The Curious Boy. There was a young boy named Arjun. He loved asking questions. Every morning, he would sit near the window and watch the birds fly across the sky. One day, he asked his mother, "How do birds fly so high?" His mother smiled and said, "Because they believe they can." These words stayed in Arjun's mind. From that day, he decided he would learn something new every day. He read books, he watched educational videos, he asked questions to everyone. Years passed. Arjun became a scientist. Whenever someone asked him the secret of his success, he always shared the same things. I just never stopped learning. Question for reading comprehension. What was the name of the boy? What did Arjun love doing? What did he watch from his window? What did his mother tell him? What lesson can be learned from Arjun? You can add answer at the end of your video. Part 4 Motivational Articles 10 minutes. Train your mind, transfer your life. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. If you train it, you can achieve anything. Most people fail not because they lack talent, but because they lack consistency. When you decide to learn English, your mind will give excuses. It is difficult. You will make mistakes. People will laugh. But remember this truth: your mind believes what you repeat. If you say, "I can't speak English," your mind will accept it. But if you say, "I am learning English, I am improving every day," your mind becomes stronger. Never underestimate yourself. You have the ability to learning anything. You just need the right practice and the right mindset. Small daily progress, big result. Practice English for just 15 minutes every day. In 1 month, you will see the difference. Don't compare yourself. Everyone learns at a different speed. Your only competition is your one yesterday. Mistakes are your teacher. Every mistake teaches something important. Believe in your journey. Say these lines with me. I am confident. I am learning. I will speak fluent English. My hard work will pay off. I trust myself. When your mind becomes strong, your English becomes strong. Thank you for watching this lesson on thinking in English, speaking fluently, reading comprehension, add a motivational article. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to Joy Fluent English and share it with your friend. I will see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Goodbye.